This is the exact moment most people ruin their seedlings.
See this? If you don't transplant your seedlings at the right time, they will stop growing.
These are the same seedlings we planted in the last video. Go check that out if you're starting from scratch.
Today I'm transplanting these the right way, so they explode with growth instead of stalling. By the end of this video you'll know exactly how to transplant seedlings so they grow faster and stronger.
You want to transplant when your seedlings have at least 1 or 2 sets of true leaves. Real leaves, not the baby ones like these. This is where most beginners mess up.
Too early and they struggle, too late and they get root bound.
Just upgrade them to a bigger pot with loose soil, so the roots can expand fast. Nothing fancy. Make sure the soil is slightly moist before transplanting. Just lightly damp like this. Always handle the seedlings by the leaves, never the stem. It's fragile. This tiny mistake can kill your plant instantly.
In this video I broke down soils and fertilizers, so these even grow faster, so don't miss that.
Well, I always place some phosphorus in the transplant hole. This will stimulate root growth. Plant them a little deeper than before, especially tomatoes. They'll grow stronger roots. Firm the soil gently, don't pack it tight. Roots need air, not compression. And after transplanting, give them a good splash of water.
Yeah, and then this happened. Let's just say timing matters. Alright, we're back with much better weather, so let's get these transplanted. Now where were we? Oh yeah, transplanting them without killing them.
Let's continue before the weather changes its mind again. Once it's in place, lightly press the soil around it. It looks simple, but it matters a lot.
If you're following this grow journey, hit subscribe. I'll show you step by step all the way to the harvest.
After transplanting, good light and a little patience is all they need. Don't skip this step. Healthy roots like this, that's exactly what you want. If your roots look like this, you're doing it right. One wrong move here and it sets you back for weeks. If you have too many good seedlings in one cell, you can always split them at this stage. If you haven't seen how these started, start from the beginning. Watch the seed starting video to see the full process.
So this is how you transplant your seedlings without killing them. And see you in the next one. Bye!